A doctor said a post-mortem report of the 31-year-old woman murdered at Kolkata RG Kar Hospital suggested that she was gang-raped. In an interview with India Today, Dr. Subarna Goswami said the nature of injuries inflicted on the trainee doctor cannot be the handiwork of one person. Dr. Goswami said the post-mortem report mentioned 151 grams of liquid from the vaginal swab. The quantity cannot be of one person. It suggests the involvement of multiple people. A day after Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's cautious comment on the rape murder of the Kolkata doctor that has left the country's medical community in turmoil, Rahul Gandhi's post on social media today raised questions about the handling of the matter by the local administration in the state ruled by ally Trinamool Congress. The attempt to save the accused instead of providing justice to the victim raised a serious question on the hospital and the local administration, read the post by Mr. Gandhi. Two BSF personnel who were killed in the line of duty and one who was injured in ethnic clashes in Manipur have been awarded the Police Medal for gallantry on the eve of Independence Day. According to a statement from the Union Home Ministry, the awardees include Lieutenant Constable Narendra Kumar and Ranjit Yadav and Assistant Commandant Ashok Kumar, along with 3 other personnel. A safety advisory issued by Silchar Medical College and Hospital in Assam has sparked outrage and was swiftly withdrawn following accusation of misogyny and victim blaming. The advisory had urged women to avoid isolated areas and refrain from leaving their hostel rooms at night unless absolutely necessary. The Junior Doctors Association condemned the notice, calling it disturbing and demanding improved campus security and better facilities. In response to the backlash, the college administration cancelled the advisory today, stating that the revised notice will be issued soon in line with NMC norms and government directive. Former Meghalaya Minister Lakman Rimbui has called for pragmatism and practicality in addressing rising tensions between Meghalaya and Assam. In a tweet, Rimbui urged Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma to sit down and discuss the issue at hand. The call for dialogue comes in response to Assam's decision to withhold transit passes for wine shop materials travelling from Shillong to Garo Hills via Assam. US President Joe Biden said he does not expect Iran to carry out a retaliatory strike on Israel in response to the assassination of Hamas and Hezbollah leaders if a deal is reached to end the war in Gaza and secure the release of Israeli hostages. Asked whether there was any link between the possibility of attacks from Iran and its proxies and an agreement to end the Israel-Hamas war, Biden replied, "That's my expectation." The Columbus Crew came from 2 goals down to put an end to Inter Miami's Lakes Cup defense, winning 3-2 at the Lower.com field today. Matthias Rogers and Diogo Gomez had given the visitors a comfortable lead just beyond the hour mark, only for Christian Ramirez's strike to spark an unlikely turnaround.